It's raining, but it's not raining that bad. It's just like sprinkling a little bit. So I'm gonna play fetch in the rain. It's a challenge. Yeah. I didn't. Okay, so it's just this type of rain. Hey, Riley. Fetch. See? Get it? There you go, guys. It's raining. Yeah, I don't know why it's raining. Yep. Look, he knows how to play fetch. Riley. He doesn't. He usually gets it. There we go. I had to. Ah! Don't worry, guys. I'm wearing a jacket. See? I'll be right back. Okay, guys. I just be ready. Let me just get mine. If rain doesn't work, I'm gonna end the video. Yeah, this is not bad. Get it. We're gonna go. We're gonna go. You getting it? Keep getting coming. Oh, it's so the legit code here. Ready? Hey, Riley. This is a Luckerson, and it's eavesdrop. Why does it have to be a cream? He's he doesn't terrible. That was a dumb drill right there. That was a terrible. Hey, creature. Can I have the book? Okay. That is a good one. Sorry, not used to it that here or here. Come on, Riley. Riley. We need to get some yummy again. Me, him. That wasn't better though. Let's see. Okay. No, Bryson. You. Oh, don't hit my phone. It's bad. Don't break somebody's phone. It's your fault. You can get in trouble. You can get in big trouble. I can't believe he tried to break my phone. That is a bad thing to do. Is break other people's. Hey, your creature. He's getting scared. Oh, okay, that's mud. I'm not stepping in that puddle. At least he dropped it. Good boy. Okay, that was not okay. Let's go back in time. Okay, guys, I went back in time. Riley, don't drink that water. It's so boy. Don't drink water. You can get sick, yo. That's not a turn. Get it. I'm gonna hold my phone with this hand instead. No, don't just go drink the. No, you're not gonna do it again. I'm trying it with this hand again. See, I draw way better. Okay, can you stop legitly doing that, Riley? I'll be right back, guys. Yeah, I'm getting the food. Okay, can you? I'll be right back, guys. Riley keeps doing that. Can you stop it, mister? No, don't you dare. Don't you dare. Hey, Riley. Fetch. Guys, has your dog ever drank the water from the mud puddle? Guys, this is the first time one of my dogs ever did that. Guys, I'm gonna be ready. Sitting. There you go. Oh wow, he's getting really wet. Okay, guys, that's it for today's video. Being a prankster gangster. Please do hit that like and subscribe, and make sure your dogs don't drink water. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.